We're going to be talking about multiplying fractions. We're going to multiply fractions by whole numbers, multiply fractions by fractions, and multiply mixed numbers. We're going to start with a fraction times a whole number. So, for example, let's say we had 2/3 times 4. Our first step is that we are going to rewrite this whole number as a fraction. And to do that, we just place it over 1. So we'd rewrite our problem as 2/3 times 4 over 1. Our next step is we just multiply. We multiply our numerators and we multiply our denominators. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. And our final step is to simplify. In this case, we want to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So we're going to divide our numerator by our denominator. Our quotient is our whole number. Our remainder is our new numerator, and our denominator stays the same. So 2/3 times 4 is 2 and 2/3. Why don't you practice 1? Okay. So our next page is talking about multiplying a fraction by a fraction. So for example, let's say we had 4/5 times 1/3. Our first step is just to multiply our numerators. Multiply across the top. 4 times 1 is 4. Then we're going to multiply our denominators. Multiply across the bottom. 5 times 3 is 15. We think about whether or not we can simplify. Well, both numbers are not even. 15 only has multiple factors that are 1, 3, 5, and 15. And the only number of those that goes into 4 is 1. So that is simplified. Let's try another one. 2/6 times 2/3. So we multiply our numerators. 2 times 2 is 4. We multiply our denominators. 3 times 6 is 18. Now in this case, both numbers are even. So we can divide by 2 over 2. Remember, what you do to the numerator, you do to the denominator. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9, and we have simplified. And the last type of problem that we've talked about is multiplying mixed numbers. So let's say we have 1 1/3 times 2 3/4. Okay, this first step is the reason why when we were adding and subtracting fractions, I made you go through the process of making the mixed numbers into improper fractions. I told you it would help you out later. So to do that, we're going to multiply 3 times 1, which is 3, and add 1. So we have 4, we keep our denominator, thirds, times 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So we have 4/3 times 11/4. 4 times 4 is 44. 3 times 4 is 12. We're going to divide 44 by 12. We get 3 8/12. Well, both of those are even, but they also, I know my 4 facts, and when I count by 4, I hit both 8 and 12. So I'm going to divide my fraction by 4 over 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I keep my whole number. So my answer is 3 2/3. So that's multiplying a fraction times a whole number, a fraction by a fraction, and a fraction and mixed numbers with fractions.